the general objective of the first prototype to achieve a state where users can conduct very, very basic dialogues with the system. That is, to ensure that the individual components of the system work, and also that they can interact with each other in order to be able to interact with the user. So it wasn't expected that the first prototype can really conduct flexible dialogues. So it was really to ensure that we're on the right track.
Almende, we were responsible of the integration of the avatar into a single product, and well, we've shown here the product behind us. The avatar is in a web interface talking with the end user in that sense. And the challenges to get there is that all the parts behind this avatar are all different servers working together, and so we needed all the different parties to work together in creating this single together image where everything works together in a single user experience.
This prototype, CERTH, is of course in the whole project, the main role is to retrieve content from the internet and support the KRISTINA agent in order to give this information in a proper way to the user. So another important aspect is also to understand what KRISTINA is asking, what the user is asking, and then KRISTINA is able to respond. So select the content and give it to the person who is the caregiver or the patient.
The first work we have done for the first prototype was actually taking the data that the user partners have recorded, Senfik, Ekut and DRK, and we adapted the Spanish, the Polish and German systems to that kind of data to increase the accuracy, so that speech recognition will have a better accuracy on such data that we are targeting the project.
For the first prototype, we're basically doing emotion analysis of paralinguistic cues, so getting emotional cues from voice without looking at the semantics, and also doing the fusion of multiple modalities to get an overall emotion estimation. And furthermore, we were a lot involved in the integration part through combining all the several services needed for KRISTINA through our SSI framework.
During the production of the first videos with the first prototype, we had to find the real persons, to get into interaction to the prototype. And especially in Tübingen, we are addressing elderlies, so we had 4 elderly persons who were able and also who were in the mood to talk to this first prototype.
We have been working on the language analysis and the language generation of the KRISTINA Project, and we have implemented the analysis and generation in Spanish, German and Polish, and it works pretty well, but there's still room for improvements. And for the next prototype, we plan to generate voices in Turkish and Arabic. We will have both male and female voices because it might be important for cultural adaptation in some cases.